Here are today's top crime stories trending on lawandcrime.com and across the country. Investigators in Macomb Township, Michigan are searching a wooded area along North Branch River for more victims of convicted killer Arthur Ream. Police say there is probable cause to believe the site is a graveyard filled with 4 to 6 other victims of Ream. The stretch of woods is the same area where another Ream victim's body, 13-year-old Cynthia Zarzicki, was found. Investigators claim Ream bragged to other inmates about killing 4 to 6 other girls and failed a lie detector test when questioned by authorities. No other bodies have been discovered, but police hope to recover remains as the search continues. A woman was arrested in Tallahassee, Florida in connection with the death of her husband 17 years ago. 48-year-old Denise Merrill Williams was arrested at her Florida State University office and charged with the murder of her husband, Mike Williams. Mike disappeared after going on a hunting trip by himself on December 16, 2000. At the time, authorities couldn't find his remains and initially thought he was eaten by alligators in the swamp until they found his body buried in 6 feet of mud and waste. After his death, his wife collected $2 million from his life insurance policy and later married her dead husband's best friend, Brian Winchester. Winchester and Williams divorced in 2016 before Winchester kidnapped Williams at gunpoint, allegedly out of fear she would reveal to authorities what really happened to Mike. Williams is charged with first-degree murder and has not yet entered a plea. An 11-year-old girl made a daring escape from a carjacker by diving out of a moving SUV. The vehicle was stolen when its owner, Mark Biasansky, pulled into a gas station and exited his Jeep Cherokee when a man hopped in the SUV and took off with Biasansky's young daughter in the back seat. A security camera recorded the moment when the young girl dove out of the SUV as it pulled away. 20-year-old Tyrell Pulley was arrested an hour later on suspicion of stealing the car. Pulley is scheduled to appear in court later this month. Those were today's top crime stories. I'm Anthony Velez for Law and Crime.